This morning, Shakti Singh Rathore is discovering the tricks of artificial intelligence.
कुछ भी आपको 15 सेकंड 20 सेकंड के लिए
ठीक।
A member of Prime Minister Modi's party, the BJP, the local politician is teaming up with this startup to boost his campaign in the western Indian state of Rajasthan. He wants his voice to be translated into different Indian languages to maximize the reach of his message across India. In this video, he's using the BJP's social media strategies to appeal to voters.
We want to convince non-BJP voters from different states. AI will be my medium to reach out to the masses. There's a huge population and I cannot personally reach out to each individual. Hence, AI will do the job.
3 years ago, Devyendra Singh Jadhav started this AI firm, the Indian Deepfaker. But just before the election, his business suddenly picked up. He received over 250 business inquiries from politicians.
We received two kinds of requests, ethical and unethical. For the unethical, two very common instances are when one uses their opponent's face in a controversial image, and when they use the voice of the opponent to make him say what he hasn't said, which can be used to make him lose the elections. Every political party wants to use AI as it's so hyped, and it's a new technology, hence they want to try it.
और दूसरी वजह से कि उन्हें लगता है कि नई चीज़ है, क्या कर सकते हैं, हर जगह यही सुनने को आ रहा है.
In India, more than 900 million people have access to the internet, leading to an easy and increased circulation of AI-generated content. Social media is filled with deepfakes ranging from a dead politician seen campaigning, Prime Minister Modi dancing, opposition party leader Rahul Gandhi endorsing Islam.
और इतना मजबूत दावा है इस्लाम का कि 2 और 2 4 की तरह कोई इस्लाम के सामने टिक नहीं सकता इसमें.
Or top Bollywood celebrities like Ranveer Singh criticizing the Prime Minister.
मोदी जी का पर्पस यही है, उनका उद्देश्य यही था कि वो सेलिब्रेट करें हमारी दुखी हुई जीवन और दर को, हमारी बेरोजगारी को, हमारी महंगाई को.
With the increased usage of AI in the 2024 elections, it has become difficult for electoral officials to detect deepfakes, especially in poor states like Jharkhand. Rishabh Anand is a member of a new team created by the government to examine manipulated content circulating on social media during elections. His biggest challenge is the lack of new softwares to filter fake from real content.
Currently, to detect manipulated content, we use applications like Google Lens, a fact checker. Sometimes we use keywords of the fake articles that have been circulating to check how many authentic news organizations have covered it. For now, we can recognize manufactured content on our own without tech, and we have tools to detect fake images, but not fake videos.
टेक्स्ट के लिए है हमारे पास, फोटोग्राफ्स के लिए है, वीडियो के लिए तो भी हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं.
Witnessing the surge in deepfakes and misinformation, the Election Commission of India says it will take action against parties found to be using misleading AI-generated content. Worried by the growing misuse of AI, this lawyer has filed a petition with the Delhi High Court, requesting them to establish guidelines for regulating AI in the country.
There has to be some penalty that has to be drawn upon them. There has to be some punishment that has to be drawn upon them. Something that other people should fear of. Whenever there's going to be any fear, then only it's going to be regulated, or then only people are going to stop using it.
In the suburbs of Delhi, the NGO Digital Empowerment Foundation has organized a workshop at this refugee camp to educate people about the threat of deepfakes and AI. Most cannot read or write, making them more exposed to misleading content.
AI generated वीडियो होगी तो उससे आप कैसे पता लगाते हैं उसकी आवाज.
Social activist Shivani Panchal believes that deepfakes influence people's voting behavior.
There are no authentic news channels, so any random guy making a video in their hometown and saying certain things about that this party has done this stuff, they will easily believe that this thing has happened. And with coming of AI, the fake news thing has been escalated a bit more than it was before.
Kapasi Khatun receives most of her news from social media. She believes that this program has helped her understand the difference between manipulated and real content.
जैसे अब इलेक्शन है 25
As voting day is coming up, I receive videos from different parties. I listen to them and watch them. Before, I didn't know about AI, but today I came to the meeting and then I got to know about it. I feel happy.
तो इसके बारे में पता चला, हमें खूब अच्छा लगा.
The 2024 election has been marred by controversies around deepfakes. Political parties have spent more than $50 million during this election campaign to create AI-generated content.